Right. Good evening, guys. Right, sir. Then please check it. Check it. All of you are getting my voice and screen. Please confirm to me. Please confirm to me, guys. All of you are getting my voice and screen. Yes, yes. That's fine. Thank you. Good. Right, sir. Now today, just I'm going to start then small introduction part for our advanced Java. What is this advanced Java? Then what we are able to have inside this advanced Java? Just I want to give small overview of this advanced Java. Then after completion of this advanced Java, that means the demonstration, at the end of the session today, I will give my plan, what exactly the plan I'm going to follow to discuss about this content and to give like which one to complete these classes in this particular schedule. I want to give clarity on this. Right, sir. Anyway, now try to understand it clearly what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. Now, first of all, I am asking one question to all of you guys. Now, try to answer for it. What is this advanced Java? Where advanced Java is existed in a Java J2EE. That I'm going to clarify today. Then after that, we will go for like which one? Our view. That means I'm going to give clarity on like which one here. Our view, how. Yes, I'm going to give clarity on our view, how these classes are going to be provided. That means how we are going to start our classes and how we are going to perform all these things in our content. That I will discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. Good. All of you observe this clearly. All of you understand this clearly. Observe carefully what I'm telling to you now. Right, sir. If you observe this Java, inside the Java overall, 3 parts here we are having. In a Java overall, 3 parts here we are getting it. What are the 3 parts here we are having here? First one is like which one? J2SE, and second one is like which one? J2EE, and the third one is like which one? J2ME. Good. All of you observe this clearly. Over 3 parts are existed in Java. What are the 3 parts inside the Java? First one is like which one? J2SE, J2EE, and what next one here now? J2ME. Right, sir. Wait a minute of time, guys. I'll check this. Right. Come on, guys. Once again, I'm asking to you clearly. All of you know. You check this. What are the 3 parts which are available inside the Java? First one is like which one? J2ESE. Second one is like which one? J2EE. And third one is like which one? J2ME. Overall, 3 parts which are available inside the Java. Okay, good. Listen carefully. What is the purpose of J2SE? And moreover, nowadays people are calling. Now, before going to understand these purposes, no, I'm telling you clearly. And before this, what I'm telling you, J2SE is also be called as like which one? Java SE. J2EE is also be called as like which one? Java EE. And J2ME is also be called as like which one? Java ME. Listen, all of you listen carefully. What I'm telling to you now. J2SE is also be called as like which one? Java SE. J2EE is also be called as like which one? No, Java EE. And J2ME is also be called as like which one? No, Java ME. All of you observe this clearly. What I'm telling you. Okay, fine. But what is the purpose of this? I will give clarity on it. Why the 2 is available and everything. I'll give clarity on it. Just wait a minute of time. Guys, just wait 1 minute of time. Wait 1 minute of time. I will start it. Yeah. then I will start it. Wait a minute of time. Wait, sir. Wait. And YouTube live SEP is going on. Wait a minute. Yes, wait. So live setup is going on. Okay. Right, sir. It's okay. Good. Right. Anyway, guys, now I'm giving clarity regarding this point. No, then two J2SE and J2EE and J2ME. Here we are getting there. So what is this two actually? The two is representing at the Java second version. At Java second version, and more changes are available. Huge changes are available at Java 7 version. So because of that reason, to give some significance for that particular one, for that second version, Java has given, the Java people have included the number two in their version name, J2SE, in the sense at the second version of Java, more and more number of changes are happened. More number of changes are happened at the second version of Java. So because of that reason here, we have to understand clearly that number two was provided here, not more than that. That's the meaning of like which one two, not more than that. Anyway, then this is old convention J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. This is old convention, but the new convention is like which one? Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME. This is the new convention. Here, what we are getting. That's enough. This is what exactly the point here we are able to understand. Guys, and just wait a minute of time. I will come back and I will start this class now. There's some project content is going on here. Just I will give clarity on it. Just wait a minute of time, guys. Right, guys? So that's okay. Fine. Now, anyway, leave this one. Right. So now observe this clearly. Then J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen now. I think so. There is a small problem with the YouTube live, and I think so. It's not working now. So then, if any of your friends are coming, just let them to join with our normal link, webinar link. Might be live is not coming. That's it. Good, good. Now everything is okay. Fine. Now, yeah, right. That's fine. So anyway, now observe this clearly. What I am telling to you, live is not started now. Live is not. There is some small problem is going on with that live. So some network issue is going. Anyway, just we can come to this webinar link. Then I will go for this class. Yeah, live is not there. Live is not there. Just wait a minute of time. Automatically we will get the audio clearly. But there is an issue with the live. Now try to come for it. Try to come for this normal webinar link. I'll give clarity on it. Right, sir. That's fine. Good. Now very well. Listen carefully. What I'm telling to you. Know. Guys, audio is also very good, right? I think all of you are getting my audio, right? So audio is very good, sir. Audio is very good from my side. Everything is good, good, good. So if you are not getting audio, if not, try to rejoin with webinar. Yes, wait a minute of time. Guys, just please wait 2 minutes of time. Wait 2 minutes of time. Some other people, that means live people are also be coming to our session. Just wait 2 minutes of time. Right, sir. I think all of you are getting my voice clearly. No problem. YouTube live is also be working. Sir, are you seeing my screen? No, I think so. Durga sir has displayed some message. Now it's not working, and Durga sir has displayed some message. Yeah, then people are coming. People are coming to this like webinar. So just let's wait 2 minutes of time. Right, sir. Right. Anyway, let them to come for this classes now. Yeah, that's fine, guys. Now I'm going to continue this content now. So please observe this clearly. What I'm telling to you. So now Java is available in three parts. Java is divided into three parts. What are the three parts actually? J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. These are the three parts of Java which we are having. That's okay, coach. Out of these three parts, what we are able to see inside this J2SE and what we are able to see inside this J2EE and what we are able to say inside this J2ME. Right. If you observe this clearly, in a J2SE, first of all, anyway, I think some of you are not aware of abbreviations even. I'm giving clarity to you. J2SE part is like which one? Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. All of you observe this clearly. Java 2 Standard Edition. This is that abbreviation for it. What it able to cover? Please recognize this. Just it able to cover only fundamentals of Java. Able to cover like which one? Fundamentals of Java. Not complete Java, just it able to cover only fundamentals of Java. Just only fundamental part of the Java is covered here inside this. Not more than that. It will not cover any other one. Just fundamentals of Java only it able to cover. Right, sir. What fundamentals of Java here we are able to get? What are the various things we are able to get? Right, sir. I will give clarity on it. That what is that fundamentals of Java? No examples I am telling to you in the fundamentals part. The point is like which one? So right from introduction part, introduction, the basic introduction part for this language, and next one is like which one? Then after that, language fundamentals, then after that, object orientation. Next one is like which one? And packages. Next one is like which one? And exception handling. Like which one? Then after this exception handling, next one is like which one? Multi-threading. Right, sir. After this clearly, multi-threading. Then after that, IO streams. Then after this completion of this, next one is like which one? Collections. Then after this collections might be GUI part like this. After completion of the GUI might be something else like which one? And see, and so on 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 and so on. You can observe this clearly. I'm going to include two more topics. Guys, please recognize this. What are the two more topics here we are providing later? JDBC is possible. And another thing is like which one? RMI. These two are also be the part of J2SE. That means Java 2 Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition, whatever it may be. Right, sir. Good. So what is the meaning of 2? J2SE2, J2EE2, J2ME2 in the sense, all of you listen carefully. Right, sir. In the first version of Java, in 1.0 version of Java, language was introduced. Basically, that language was introduced in the first version of Java. In very first version of Java, language was introduced. That's okay, good. In 1.1 version, one or two modifications are done, very less modifications. But in the Java 1.2 version, what happened? 70% of the new Java was added along with the Java 1.2 version. 70% of the Java is added to along with the Java second version. That means more and more number of changes are available in the second version of the Java. So because of this reason, then Java people want to give significance for the second version of the Java. Because of that reason, they included that number 2 inside like which one? No, their versions. J2SE, Java 2, SE, J2SE and J2EE and J2ME and all these things. The 2 number is included. Of course, that was old version there, old convention. But recently, the Java naming conventions was changed. Java SE, Java EE and Java ME. Like this, that conventions are provided. This is recent convention we can understand. Java SE, Java EE and Java ME. And old convention is like which one? J2SE, J2EE and J2ME. This is the meaning of like which one? That number 2. We can observe this clearly. Right, guys. Now observe this now. What I'm telling to you. Good. After completion of this particular point here, another thing what I'm telling you, people are asking about RMI. Remote method invocation. RMI in this is like which one? Remote method invocation. Good. I'll explain all of your dots. Please wait up to the end of this session today. I'll explain all the doubts, all the clarifications I will provide. Let me move on to our content here. I want to talk about one important point now. Now try to observe this correctly. So if you observe this content inside this J2SC part, these many concepts are existed. So like introduction and language fundamentals and object orientation, packages and exception handling, multi-threading, IO streams, collections, GUI, and so on and so on and so on. A number of concepts are available. Even if I identify my core Java, syllabus there, where I included all these things. Even in general, we used to talk up to like which one? Java 14 versions, like right some Java 14 versions and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and these many versions are included here. All of you have to this clearly. So that Java naming conventions were changed. Up to Java 5, it's okay, 1.5. Right from Java 6 version onwards, and people are saying Java 6, Java 7, like this. There are also some different conventions available. Leave this one. This is not the concept, no? That version conventions are okay, fine, leave it. But my point is like which one? In J2SC, what exactly the content is available? All these things, if you observe this now, these are totally fundamentals of Java programming language. These are only like which one? Fundamentals of programming languages. That's okay, good. Leave this one. This is like which one? J2SC part, which covers only fundamentals of Java. By using these fundamentals, of course, we are able to prepare like which one? No, standalone applications. By using these fundamentals, we are able to prepare like which one? Standalone applications here we are able to prepare. Actually, only standalone applications here we are able to prepare by using these fundamentals, not more than that. So what is a standalone application? Just nothing else. If we prepare and execute any application within a single mission, there we compile our program. There only we executed our program. There only we are giving input to data to the program. There only we are getting output data from the program. Everything within a single mission. So this type of application is called as like which one? Standalone application. This is the meaning of like which one? Standalone application. Good, sir. Anyway, like leave this one. But now, if you observe this J2EE part, what is this J2EE actually? As I'm asking to you clearly, what is the J2EE actually? No, the J2EE in the sense like which one? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's it. I'm giving clarity to you. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's the meaning of J2EE or Java Enterprise Edition. Then that's fine. What it will cover actually? What J2EE will cover actually? J2EE will cover server-side programming. It able to cover like which one? Server-side programming. Good, sir. By using server-side programming, which applications here we are able to prepare? Which type of applications here we are able to prepare? If you observe this point now, we can understand it clearly. Distributed applications or what next one again? No, enterprise applications here we are able to prepare. Enterprise applications, distributed applications are what next one? No, enterprise applications here we are able to prepare. Good. So this is the meaning of like which one? J2EE. But I have a question. What J2EE applications here we are able to prepare, and what we are able to be covered inside this J2EE? That's my question. All of you observe this clearly. Guys, I think so you might be aware about this client server architecture, right? Client server architecture. You are aware there? Client server architecture. Client is submitting request to the server and the server is sending some response to the client. Client server architecture, right? That's fine. Then in our colleges, what you studied, no, that is sufficient. Client is sending request to the server and server is sending some response to the client. Only this kind of things we are able to get. That's okay. Leave it now. At server side, we are going to write some programming to take request from client to process that request. For that purpose, we are able to use like which one? Server side programming. Anyway, that's not much important. No, my intention is not that one. Just I'm telling to you, all distributed applications we are able to prepare by using J2EE. Nowadays, everywhere we can identify these distributed applications. No, like all bank applications are come under enterprise applications. All might be social network might be applications are available. Or Facebook maybe, or maybe what next one get Twitter maybe. Like all these things, if you observe this, all these are going on like which one? On the basis of this client server architecture only. That's okay, good. Enterprise applications we are able to prepare. Even this also be not my requirement. My requirement is like which one? In J2EE technologies, in J2EE, what exactly the technologies are available? That's my question. In J2EE, what exactly the technologies are existed? That's my question. All of you listen carefully. What exactly the technologies are available inside this J2EE? If you observe these technologies inside the J2EE, we can understand it clearly. Now, first one is like which one here? Servlets. Servlets is first one here. Right, sir. Then servlets is available. This is first one. Next one is like which one? JSPs. After completion of the JSPs might be then what we are able to have there. And JSTL. And next one is like which one? Expression language. EL in the sense like which one? Expression language. Not only that, some middleware services, services are also be existed here. Middleware services, like what are these middleware services like which one? JNDI, like which one here? JTA, JMS, like which one? Java Mail API, right sir? No. Java Mailing Service, Java Mail Service, whatever it may be, something else like which one? Then after that, JAS is available, Java Authentication and Authorization Services, and so on and so on and so on. Some other middleware services are available. Next one is something else like which one? Distributed technologies are existed like which one? And these are, I'm telling to you clearly, these are like one of web technologies under this distributed environment, under this J2EE, like servlets and JSPs, JSL and expression languages and so on. Next one is apart from this, like which one? Some other, if any technology is remaining, that's okay, good. JPA in the sense Java Persistence API. Yes, JPA is also existed now. We can observe this clearly. JPA, Java Persistence API. Right, sir. Good. Distributed technologies are available like which one? CORBA is existed. Then after this CORBA, next one is like which one? EJBs are available. Then after this EJBs, no. Web services are available. This is purely distributed technologies. Web services and so on and so on and so on. Some other technologies are existed. All of you observe this clear, what I'm telling you. Right, so now JPA is also existed anyway, no problem. JPA, Java Persistence API, is a part of this J2EE only. This is also a middleware service. We can observe this clearly. CORBA and EJBs and web services and so on. All these things are come under like which one? Distributed technologies. Right, sir. So next one is what exactly the point I'm telling to you. Observe this clearly. See, J2EE, under this J2EE, different types of technologies are available where web technologies for web application development. We are going to use these technologies like servlets, JSPs, JSTL, and expression language. And for middleware services like which one? JNDI, JTA, then what next one here now? Like all these technologies are available, but their purposes are not at all required now. Just forget about it. In the future, when the time is coming there I will discuss about all these things. No, distributed technologies are available like which one? CORBA and EJBs and web services and so on. All these distributed technologies are available. Right, sir. First of all, listen what I'm telling you. This I will answer for all of your questions there at the end of the session. But first of all, listen carefully. So don't interrupt in the middle of the class now. Just listen what I'm telling to you. Right, sir. Now people are asking about what is the difference between technology and framework. Now, just wait. I will discuss with everything. Right, sir. So moreover, web technologies for like which one? Their web application development mainly. Then middleware services we required to run and execute our server side application. We required some services there to provide some like what I'm telling to you. If you want to provide some security maybe, or if you want to get some transaction support maybe, if you want to perform some operations, then all these things I will discuss with all these things are like which one here. So middleware technology, middleware services which are required for our server side applications in order to run and in order to perform their activities. And distributed technologies are available, and how to communicate with remote machines and how to get services from remote machines. To get this kind of services we require like which one? Distributed technologies and so on. Number of technologies are available under like which one? J2EE. Not even these two, just only few of the technologies are given, but more and more number of technologies are available. Similarly, what about this J2ME actually? If you observe this clearly, Java 2 micro edition. Then what about this one clearly? Now tell me Java 2 micro edition. This is like which one? Java 2 micro edition. All of you observe this clearly. What I'm telling you now. This is like exactly Java 2 micro edition. Right, sir? That's okay, good. Whenever we are having Java 2 micro edition, what it will cover actually? What we are able to do by using this one here? We are able to prepare like mobile based application. Right, sir? Mobile based application. Number of applications are available nowadays now. If you go for might be communication providers, for example, Airtel people are having their own application to pay the bills maybe, or to get slabs information might be. Then my Airtel or something, some application is available. Next one is like which one? Then apart from that, no, and my idea is available there. Understand it? Like this, my Vodafone, like this number of applications are available. So right, sir. Now like this, by using J2ME, we are able to prepare this mobile based applications. That's okay, good. But one thing I'm telling to all of you guys, this is J2ME initially, the moment when it was introduced, on the time, very good demand is available for J2ME. Very good demand is available for J2ME at the initial time. And initially, very good demand is available for J2ME. But later on, what happened? Number of alternatives are available to prepare these mobile-based applications, like which one in the form of like Android, or in the form of like which one, iOS might be, then Apple and iOS. Like these many technologies are available to prepare these mobile-based applications. Then automatically what happened? Demand was reduced for which one? J2ME. Now the total technology, the total domain fall down totally. It was collapsed. So in Java, even people are not remembering that J2ME is a part of the Java nowadays. Why? Because when people are thinking about mobile application development, immediately people are thinking about either Android or maybe iOS or maybe some other technologies. Nobody is thinking about which one? J2ME. Because of this reason, this J2ME is not at all having any demand in outside market. Just forget about J2ME now. That's it. Guys, now leave this one. J2ME is not at all required. Just leave this content here. So only we have to think about like which one? J2SE and as well as what next one? No, J2EE. J2SE and as well as like which one? J2EE. Guys, I'm asking one question to all of you. You have to answer for my question. Everybody has to answer for my question, guys. Right, sir? Yes. Everybody has to answer for my question. We have seen some technologies list here under J2SE, under J2EE. We have seen some technologies list. Now tell me, where is your advanced Java? Under this technology set, now tell me, where is your advanced Java? Come on, guys, you have to answer for my question. Where is your advanced Java? J2SE, J2EE. Oops. I'm asking advanced Java. Where is your advanced Java? Right, sir. Both J2EE and Java SE. J2SE. Then people are saying that where it is actually. Right. And straightly, I'm giving information to all of you guys. Straightly, I'm giving information to all of you know. In Java, total in Java, throughout the Java, there is no separate part like advanced Java. There is no such kind of terminology in Java. But of course, you may ask one question to me. Sir, once this advanced Java is not available in Java technology or Java language, right? There is no advanced Java. There is no advanced Java concept in Java. But today, why you start your batch with the title advanced Java? You may ask this question to me. You may ask this question to me, guys. And why you are starting today batch with the title advanced Java? This kind of question might be you may ask to me. Yes, I'm telling to you clearly. What I'm telling to you know. For example, if I'm not going to start with the title, if I'm not going to start this batch with the title advanced Java, what is the title? Can you guys now tell me? Now suggest to me, with which title I have to start this batch today? For which batch I need to start this batch with which title? Now tell me, guys. That's what we have to say. Yes, exactly. As per the present situation, if I start any batch with J2EE like this now, what people in outside they are thinking, no? What people they are saying, they are thinking in outside, no? Maybe J2EE is a extension course of JEE program at intermediate education. At our intermediate education, J might be JEE program or maybe some, if you go for the Chaitanya or maybe Narayana colleges, no? JEE may be one of the extension program of that intermediate students. People may think like that. Nobody is aware about that J2EE and Java EE terminology. They may think about like which one? For intermediate students, for MPC students, maybe this may be extension course. Intermediate students will come to my class now. That's my point here. So that's why here what I'm telling to you. So I don't want to start these batches with the J2EE. I want to start still that your understandable language, in your understandable formula, I'm going to start this advanced Java that batch now. But when you are coming to my advanced Java class, as a first step, I'm going to talk like which one? There is no terminology like advanced Java. In Java, there is no terminology like which one? Advanced Java. That is the point here, what I'm telling you. But who has prepared this one here? No? Who has prepared this one? Yes, who has prepared in the sense this is purely Hyderabad Amirpet terminology. Purely Hyderabad and Amirpet terminology. Then institute people, Hyderabad institute people, as per their marketing, as per their business point of view, they have taken the JDBC from core Java, that means J2SE pod, and they have taken web technologies from which one? J2EE, like which one? Servlets and JSPs. These two topics only, especially. Even people are not aware about this remaining two also. They have taken these two things from J2EE and JDBC from J2SE, and they have taken these two things now. And finally, they formed a separate course like which one? Advanced Java. Under this advanced Java, they prepared the syllabus is like which one? What was that syllabus they prepared there under this advanced Java? Just simply they are saying like which one? JDBC, and the next one is like which one? Servlets, and the next one is like which one? JSPs. Like this, they prepared these concepts now. Finally, they formed with these three topics. They formed as a separate course. That course is like which one? Advanced Java. That's it. This is a history about like which one? Advanced Java. As you are the professionals and as you are the technical persons, we have to understand the right terminology in our content. But unfortunate thing is which one? Good. Amirpet people are discussing about this advanced Java like this with this syllabus. No, that's okay. But unfortunate thing is which one? Number of small companies in outside. Number of small companies in outside. There also is in the same terminology. Advanced Java like which one? JDBC and servlets and JSPs. Now. Right, sir. All of you observe this clearly now. Understand what I'm telling to you clearly. What I'm telling to you, number of small companies are also be using like which one? JDBC, that means this advanced Java terminology. Yes, sir. All of you understand this point clearly. Good. So because of that reason, what I'm telling to you clearly, of course, we are going to start these batches with advanced Java title only, like which one? JDBC and servlets and JSPs with this terminology only. We are going to start these batches, no? But before going to start these concepts, we need to have awareness on this. We should not have any idea like which one? Advanced Java. Don't use a terminology like advanced Java. But what we have to do, how long we are going to learn about JDBC, up to that time, we have to use the terminology like which one? J2SE. When we are learning this JDBC content, just we have to feel we are learning like which one? J2SE. And whenever we are completing JDBC, when we are starting servlets topic now, from that point onwards, we have to observe, we have to understand clearly that content would be like which one? J2EE. When we are going to start our servlets topic there, from that point onwards, we have to understand about like which one? J2EE. That's it, guys. Now this is what we have to feel while taking these courses now. So, but anyway, advanced Java with the title here, I'm starting this content now. But syllabus would be very same. What other institutes are also be doing the same syllabus that we are going to be covered anyway. But that is not the case now. JDBC, how long we are going to discuss about JDBC? There we can think of J2SE. And when we are going to start the servlets and JSPs now, there we can think we are going to talk about like which one now? This like which one? J2EE content. That's it. Now this is what exactly the belief here. What we are going to have awareness on it. J2EE like this here we are able to have it. That's it. Right, sir. What is called advanced Java? That World Wide Web? No. It's not like this. Then servlets onwards, that World Wide Web content will come into the picture. That web application development we are able to get right from like which one? No, servlets onwards. This is the point here. What I'm telling to you clearly. Right. Sir. Good. Guys, just wait 1 minute of time. Just I will explain all of your doubts there. Just I will allocate some time for you. Let me complete my total scenario. If I complete there, definitely I'm going to provide the total content. Good, sir. Right, sir. Right. Kusma ma'am, then I will talk with you separately regarding that issue. See, and this advanced Java batch is not only by Durga Soft. Please remember this. All of you guys, remember this. This total advanced Java, this terminology is not only by Durga Soft. Years and years onwards, Amirpet, that all the institutes are doing the same terminology. Unfortunately, at college level also the same terminology is going on. Durga Soft is not invented this advanced Java technology. Please remember this. Kusma ma'am, I'm giving clarity to you clearly. Understand it now. Advanced Java is not by Durga Soft. That advanced Java course is already existed even before Durga Soft also. Yeah. Then, right, sir. So this course, I'll give the syllabus of this course also now. Try to understand it clearly. Observe this clearly. What I'm telling you now. Fine, fine. Now, guys, observe this clearly. That's okay, fine. There is no terminology like advanced Java. Just I'm giving clarity on it. And moreover, and what exactly the syllabus is going to be provided inside this, just I will give clarity on this. JDBC, servlets, and JSP. These are the topics here we are thinking. But I want to give my syllabus. And today, anyway, just we can think of it up to this time. Up to this time, just we can think in the next 5 minutes of time. We are talking about like advanced Java only. Now, all of you observe this clearly. Inside this advanced Java, what I am going to discuss with you clearly. All of you observe this clearly. Right, sir. What I am going to discuss with you inside this advanced Java. Now, try to recognize this point clearly. And first one, all of you observe this clearly. Point number one. In advanced Java, first we will start with like which one? Prerequisite part. Prerequisite. From this prerequisite part onwards, we are going to start like advanced Java. First one is prerequisite. This is first point. Next one is, right, sir. Next one is like which one? Second one is like which one? JDBC. Let me list out all the concepts now. Third one is like which one? I will start like which one? Servlets. And fourth one is like which one? JSPs. And after these JSPs, and the fifth one is like which one? JSTL. And sixth topic is like which one? Expression language. Right, sir. So these are topics we are going to discuss. These topics here we are going to discuss the content here. Like which one? Prerequisite, JDBC, servlets, JSPs, and JSTL. And what next one here? No, like expression language. These are the concepts here we are going to discuss there clearly. So any design patterns in the sense, then design patterns are not going to be discussed separately along with the concepts. If you go for servlets, some design patterns are going to be covered internally. If you go for JDBC and a few 1 or 2 design patterns we are going to be covered. Right, observe this clearly. I want to give clarity on it. And MEC design pattern we are going to use frequently in our applications. Along with that application development, we are going to discuss about which one? All this content here. Right, sir. Observe this clearly. Now, this is what exactly the content we are going to discuss inside like which one? Advanced Java. This is a syllabus, what I'm telling to you guys. Observe this clearly. Right, sir. Next one is after that, after completion of this, what I'm telling to you know. Right, sir. Now, depending on the time, at least basics of JSF we are going to discuss. It's a framework actually. It's MVC based framework. How to prepare applications and what is framework and what is the need of frameworks and that introductory part and some examples of like which one? No, JSF that I'm going to be discussing with you. Basics of JSF. Only basics of JSF, not complete course. It may take a lot of time here. Only JSF basics I'm going to be discussing with you. Why? Because if you come for my Spring classes now, Spring with the JSF integration is going to be provided. I'm going to discuss about it. So because of that reason, I will discuss about like which one? Basics of JSF. Java server phases that I'm going to be discussing with you clearly. That is one part. And second thing, what I'm telling to you, at the end of the course, we will do one simple application. One simple web application we will prepare. And web project, simply speaking, web project here we are able to prepare. So this web project is going to be available. This web project is going to be designed on the base of JDBC. Next one is like which one? Servlets. And what next one? JSPs and its internal part. So with these topics, I will discuss like which one there now. One simple web project I will prepare there. Just this is for the sake of your practicing purpose only. What are the concepts can we learn up to now? On the base of these topics only, we are going to prepare like which one? This web project. At the end of the course, we are going to do this web project. Definitely, we are going to see one web project. At the end of the expression language content, I'll show this content clearly. Guys, all of you observe this clearly, what I'm telling you. Next one is what we are able to get benefits by attending these classes. I'm telling to you clearly. What are the benefits here we are able to get from these concepts? I'm giving clarity to all of you. Observe this clearly first of all. Right, sir. Now, and before these benefits also, what I'm telling to you, right, then a simple project I'm able to do there. Next, other thing is like which one? What are the various databases here I'm going to be used in our course? If you observe these databases now, I'm going to use Oracle database, and what next one here? MySQL database, and the next one is like which one? MongoDB database also here I'm going to use. These are the three databases I'm going to use for our JDBC applications. Not only for JDBC applications, server-side applications and all other remaining applications also we are able to use like which one? They are the three databases, right? You may have one question. Sir, I don't know Oracle DB, I don't know MySQL, and I don't know MongoDB. All the databases I don't know, sir. No need to worry for that. Up to how much I required, to go for JDBC classes, up to that I will cover in Oracle, MySQL, and MongoDB. That up to how much I required there, up to that I will cover inside our classes. No, then I will go for like which one? That respective JDBC content. This is the point here what I'm telling to you. Next one is like which one? Guys, I'm asking one question to all of you now. Try to understand it clearly. Max MySQL in the sense, just definitely Oracle and MySQL, MongoDB, up to how much I required, up to that I will discuss with you now. Not complete courses. Why? Because this is basically our advanced Java class now. It's not like which one database classes here. So, but I required to use the databases now. Up to how much I required, that I am able to discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. This definitely I will teach both Oracle, MySQL, and MongoDB also. Yeah, MongoDB is a NoSQL database. MongoDB. No relations, nothing else. No, it's like which one there is completely depending on the JSON objects. Right, that I will discuss with you in the respective courses scale. That's okay, fine. This is one thing. Databases part. Next one is if you want to run our servlet programming, we require servers. So on which servers here we are going to work there? We are going to work on which servers? No, if you observe this clearly, initially we will start that servers like with which one? No, Tomcat. Tomcat server I'm going to use to prepare and execute our server-side application initially. Once if we complete this Tomcat, then I will go for like which one here, and WebLogic, that server I will use there. After completion of this WebLogic, next one is like which one? I'll go for like which one here? JBoss. Nowadays it is called as like which one? Wildfly server we are able to use. That apart from all these things, another server is like which one? Glassfish server here we are able to use. These many servers here we are going to use for our server-side applications. All of you observe this clearly what I am telling you. So Tomcat, WebLogic, JBoss, Wildfly, and Glassfish. These many servers here we are able to use. That's the point here what I am telling you. Next one is after completion of these servers part here, another thing, WebSphere maybe depending on the time, sir. But as of now, I did not plan for this WebSphere. But Tomcat, WebLogic, JBoss, or Wildfly maximum we are going to see that. Glassfish, all these servers. Next one is apart from these, which IDEs I'm going to be covered in my classes. No, why? Because if you go for companies there, nobody will prepare applications with Edit Plus or Notepad plus plus. All of you observe this clearly. So, but what we are going to do there, I'm going to take that IDE spot like which one? What are this IDE spot? No. First of all, I will start our applications with like which one? Eclipse IDE. I'll give the clear-cut information about this Eclipse IDE and how to use that and everything. I'll provide like this. Understand my point? No. After this Eclipse IDE, I need to go for like which one? IntelliJ IDEA. That IDEA I'm going to be used there. Next one is like which one? NetBeans IDE. I will use that. These three IDEs we are going to see that. NetBeans IDE. These three IDEs we are going to see in our classes. Definitely, clearly. So at each and every technology, these three IDEs here we are going to use that. Try to observe this clearly. What are these various IDs I'm going to be used there? First one here we can recognize this clearly. That first one is like which one? Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ IDEA, and NetBeans IDE. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of these IDEs parts, and what next one here we are able to have there? Databases is okay, fine. Servers is okay, fine. Then IDs here we are able to provide. Yeah, all IDs, almost all. These three IDs I'm going to be teach there in our classes now. Definitely. Even right from core Java also I'm going to start, but at 6 o'clock class still I did not started this ID spot. I will start. When this methods topic is completed, then I will start like which one? ID spot only. Definitely. So these many IDs we are going to use in our advanced Java projects, advanced Java applications. This is the content here what I'm telling to you. All of you observe this clearly. Right, sir. So syllabus would be like which one here? First of all, I will start from prerequisite part. Why? Because which topics we required in core Java to go for this advanced Java. All these topics I will pair up, and that topics I will discuss there as part of this prerequisite part. Next one is like which one? JDBC, servlets, JSPs, JSTL, and expression languages. All these things here we are going to discuss there. Next one is at the end of the course now to cover this MVC framework and MVC related implementations. No, I need to go for like which one? JSF, basics of JSF. There we are able to understand perfectly now. At the end of the course, definitely we are able to see one project. Definitely we are going to see one project there on the base of JDBC, servlets and JSpace as per our content. Right, sir. Good. Next one is then what next one I'm telling to you, databases I'm going to discuss there. And again I'm telling to you, these databases are not full courses of databases, no, not complete course of Oracle, not complete course of MySQL, not complete course of MongoDB. I'm giving clarity to you up to how much I required for preparing JDBC program, up to how much I required for preparing like JDBC program, right? Up to how much I required from Oracle, up to how much I required from MySQL, up to how much I required from MongoDB, up to that I will discuss with you. That's what exactly the points here I'm telling you clearly. Right, so definitely. Then server side, that means servers here we are going to prepare. What are the various servers here we are going to use there? Like which one? Tomcat, WebLogic, and all these things here I'm going to use. And Eclipse IDEA and IntelliJ IDEA and NetBeans. These many IDs here we are going to be covered in our application development. Right, sir. Good. When we will cover core by EJBs and web services and all, they are not the part of advanced Java course there. They will be the part of, might be some other web services separately. That all these are different courses now. Right, sir. Next one is which one is the best IDE? If you come for these points, I think so Eclipse is the famous one in outside, no, but intentionally if you ask to me my personal view, if you are asking about my personal opinion, I'll give vote for IntelliJ IDEA. Yes, my vote is for like which one? IntelliJ IDEA. That is my vote. Why? Because and very good IDE, then application development is very simple about this one. Right, sir. So J developer IDE, maybe depending on the time. I have an idea on this J developer, but let me check that one. Depending on the time, I'm able to cover that. But these three IDs, damn sure I will cover this content there anyway. Right, sir. Good. What about STS? STS is not mainly for this advanced Java course, sir. STS is mainly for which one? Spring. For Spring framework development, STS was designed. That STS is not like this. So I think so no difference is available for this advanced Java classes. No difference is available in between this Eclipse and STS. Both are almost the same up to this advanced level. But when we go for Spring framework, there we are going to see that content. Yes, definitely debugging content here we are able to see. No, definitely. Yes, some applications we are going to prepare there we are able to perform like which one? Some debugging kind of content. Definitely. Right, sir. What about serialization and deserialization? So the serialization and deserialization is core Java topic, sir. I was since topic, not in advanced Java. In core Java, we used to cover the serialization and deserialization content. Not here, not in advanced Java, guys. Right, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. Then and Sushovan, definitely you are going to understand the content what I said, you know. Why? Because then prerequisite part is available, even though if you are not aware core Java completely. Inside this prerequisite, I will cover what exactly the core Java topics I required. I'll cover the topics first. Then after that, I will go for like which one? No, that respective JDBC content there. Spring and Hibernate are separate courses, sir. SQL is required, but how much it is required, I will discuss inside the classes. Not to worry for that. And guys, all of you understand this, what I'm telling to you. All of you observe this carefully. All these things I'm going to show right from installations onwards. Installations onwards, I will discuss there. Oracle software I will download from internet in front of you. I will install in front of you, and then I will work with that. Tomcat server I'll download from internet. I will install it in front of you, and I'll work with that. WebLogic server I'll download from internet. I will install it in front of you, and I'll work with that. So all these things here I'm going to do everything on fair. Everything I'm going to do in front of you. No need to think much about it. Right, sir. Good. Yeah. Then most of the people are asking about the duration of this course there. Anyway, I'm talking about this point also. No, your class schedule will be 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. every day IST. 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. IST. I'm going to take every day class. 1 hour class is going on. Right, sir. 7:30 to 8:30 class. At 8:30 exactly it will be completed. Why? Because by 8:30 I have another class there. My Hibernate class is going on at 8:30. Right, sir. Just we are going to use this one. IST in the sense, what is the meaning of IST, guys? Indian Standard Timing. Right, sir. And this is the point here what I'm telling you know after completion of this. Next one is the duration of this course here I'm telling to you. I'm thinking about it, and exactly 90 sessions I required. 90 sessions are required to complete this course. But you the people, if you're giving more interaction, automatically it's going to be delayed. But max Within 90 sessions, we are going to complete the total course. Why? Because, and I need to discuss about all these concepts with up to the latest versions. Up to the latest versions here, I'm going to discuss there. Answer my point clearly. Right, sir. So because of that reason, what I'm telling you, 90 sessions I required. No, might be reduced for this year. Maximum 90 sessions here I'm going to take to complete your class. Right, sir. Good. Now here, this class I will start at 7:30 to 8:30. Exactly prompt at 8:30 I will finish, sir. Even single minute also I will not take. Why? Because at 8:30 I have to take hibernate class. Already the class is going in. It was in the middle of the hibernate. No, I have to talk about it clearly. Next one. Good. And most of the people are asking to me about this. What is a course fee? What is a course fee like this, sir? But in general, I don't like to talk about this money related things inside the classes, no. But anyway, I'm going to talk about this money regarding this one. Why? Because DurgaSoft is giving benefit during this lockdown, no. So this course, this advanced course here we planned as an offer batch actually. As an offer batch we planned there. Maybe next batch is onwards the price will be as usual. But as an offer batch, DurgaSoft is conducting this class now. That the offer price will be like which one here? 3,000 rupees. This is the offer price for this course, for this present advanced Java course, what we are providing there. So right, sir, within this 3,000 rupees, what you are able to get there. Anyway, I don't like to talk about this money related thing, but anyway, it's an offer. That's why, and just that's why here I given this content here. Anyway, no. Right, sir, no problem. The 3,000 is an offer price for all of you know. You can join with that, but already most of the people have already joined with this class there. Just we can go for it. Now, what I am giving clarity there regarding this within this 3,000 rupees, what you are able to get here. So daily videos you are able to get daily videos through Google Drive access. Right, sir. Daily videos through Google Drive access, not downloadable. Please remember this point here. Not downloadable. So daily Google Drive access here we are able to get. If today class is completed and within might be 4 to 5 hours of time, that video is going to be uploaded to Google Drive. Then we can use that clearly. This is one point here. Right, sir. As now this is 3,000 rupees is for the sake of this lockdown. All people might be just we thought intentionally. Then we have given that lowest price. Then try to utilize this one clearly. This is a point here. What I'm telling to you. Daily videos through Google Drive access that we are able to provide. This is one thing. And the second one is like which one? I think so. Nearly 500 plus pages of soft copy of advanced Java, soft copy material. You are able to get 500 pages of soft copy material, and I think so. This is downloadable. We can take this as like which one? Downloadable material. We can go for it clearly now. This is one point. And other thing is like which one? Then after that, 500 pages of soft copy material here we are providing. Right, sir. Daily classroom notes here we are able to share. Classroom notes we are able to share, and through like which one here? Google Classroom application. Google Classroom application. We will share that notes, daily classroom notes, and as well as diagrams or maybe daily. And daily applications here we are able to share. Daily applications, whatever the classroom applications I'm going to prepare, every application I will share there. Definitely. No. Yes, including today's document also I will share there, but I need to create a separate Google Classroom there. After creating that Google Classroom, I will share that today's document also there. No need to worry for that. Right, sir. Next one is daily applications. Whatever the applications here I'm going to prepare every day, all these applications. You can think of it nearly in JDBC, then 80 to 100 number of programs we are going to prepare on only JDBC. But all these applications we are going to prepare for it. After this clearly. Right, sir. Good. Right, sir. Now, next one is like which one here? And regarding this, then payment URL and all these things, 1 minute, sir. Now, just we can call to this which one here? 888-525-2627. That number is available. Just we can talk with our admin people. They'll give that clarity how to send this payment and all these things. That is one thing. Or else might be if you want to reach to through mail there, just we can use that. DurgaSoft online training @gmail.com. DurgaSoft online training @gmail.com. Just use this mail ID. Then you can contact with your admin people there directly. So daily applications here we are able to submit there. Then every day through Google Classroom there. That is also be through like which one? Google Classroom. Right, sir. Next one is like what I'm telling to you. Right, sir. And one more thing. And this video support here we are able to get, I'm telling you, this video support we are able to get like which one, up to like 1 year of time we are going to give support. Up to 1 year of time we are able to give that support there, daily videos. Even after completion of this course also, you can see that videos up to 1 year. Observe this clearly. This option here we are providing. I think so. No trainer is providing this much of support regarding these videos now. Yeah. Then anyway, this is an offer, but here also we actually, and our admin people in general for our online courses now up to 6 months of time. Durga Soft is also be giving access for the videos there. But here we are going to provide up to 1 year of time regarding this video support. So definitely it will be advantage to all of you guys. Just we can utilize this one. Even after completion of this course also nearly might be then up to 1 year of time here we are able to get it clearly. Right, sir. Then definitely, then what I'm telling to you, and one more thing, all of you observe this clearly, our classes are going on Monday to Saturday only. Sunday is a gap. Monday to Saturday only. Sunday is a gap. Why? Because and Sunday I'm not going to take the sessions for this batch. But if I feel syllabus is lagging, syllabus is not in the right track, no, then if it is required to take class on Sunday, then I will plan for this class on Sunday, but not immediately. Don't expect that Sunday's classes max, but at the end of the course, if the classes are not going on perfectly, if some delay is going on, then definitely I'll plan for classes on like which one on Sundays also. This is what exactly the view I'm telling to you clearly. Right, guys. Now this is about clearly what I'm telling to you. Right, sir. Yeah, then on Saturday, I'm going to take classes on like which one, core Java also. All my classes are going on Saturday. Saturday is working class, working hours for us. But Sunday is only the gap. But maximum all the weekdays we are going to take the sessions now. Right, sir. Yeah, then Hibernate we are able to do parallelly, but not now after completion of JDBC. At least if we complete JDBC in our content, then we are able to start with which one, Hibernate. Not immediately, no. Right, sir. Now, and understand it clearly. One more point I'm telling to all of you guys. Today is one demo I'm taking. No, the next demo is on Monday, not on tomorrow, on day after tomorrow. The first Saturday and Sunday, no class regarding this advanced only batch. No, the next demo class I will take on which one? There, Monday. Monday I will take that next class. Right, sir. Next one is IST in the sense like which one, Indian Standard Timing. But our class timing is like which one, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. Indian Standard Timing 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. This is a class timing. No changes on it. Max, this is fixed. Right, sir. And one more thing. After completion of your course, we will get like which one, certification, course completion certification we are able to get. Course completion certification you will get from Durga Soft with my signature. Especially I'm telling to you with my signature. Yeah, with my signature you are able to get it. Right, sir. Definitely. Then today video will be published on YouTube also. No need to worry for that. The morning time it may take some time, sir. Not immediately. Right. Certificate. I think so. Grammar mistakes. People are very much care about my English. Certificate. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Good. Soft copy. That certificate you are able to get soft copy. Yes, exactly. Right. After completion of this advanced Java, you have to go for some different courses like which one? What I am telling to you, and like you can go for Hibernate, Spring Web Services. These courses you can plan after completion of this advanced Java. And one more thing I'm telling to all of you guys, and if you attend these classes, if you attend these classes, you are able to put 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. All of you understand this clearly. You can put nearly 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. Up to how much knowledge is required to put 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. Up to that we are able to discuss. Right, sir. Yeah, definitely. We can keep like which one? Up to 3 to 4 years of experience, how much knowledge is required. Up to that you are able to get. And really I'm telling there, and some applications we are going to prepare nearly inside the class itself. 3,000 lines of code, 2,500 lines of code, that kind of applications we are going to prepare. So we can observe this clearly. Right, sir. Good. Any company, sir, not only a particular company, any company here we can go there. Then with the 3 to 4 years of experience, if you want to join with any company, how much knowledge is required, up to that I'm able to provide inside these classes. No, right, sir. That's the point here. What I'm telling you, right, sir. Just that project maybe I will decide later on, sir. But definitely one project for the sake of your project, for the sake of your practicing purpose, I will choose one project and I will discuss that project there inside the class now. But so far I did not decided which project I'm going to design inside the class. No, definitely at the end of the course, definitely I will go for like which one, some project, right? No, for project, no extra payment. It's a part of your course only. Along with advanced Java, I'm going to plan. I'm going to plan for one project. That's it. That is for the sake of your practicing purpose. Definitely no. That's what I'm telling there. Interviews and everything in the sense like which one. So then what I'm telling you, with my knowledge, with your knowledge, whatever the content I'm going to discuss with you, you can keep happily 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. Definitely you're able to get job. Right, sir. Definitely job assistance and everything we are going to discuss inside the classes. Definitely interview questions. Not only that, in the course, along with the course, you are able to get that interview questions. I will type the question and I will give answer for that question on moment directly. Depending on the topics, I will prepare some questions. No, I will discuss about these questions clearly. Right. Right, sir. Might be then. I will check that which project I'm going to discuss that. Just I will give that information to you clearly. Definitely. After completion of this JDBC, parallelly I may start that hibernate classes also. Yeah, definitely. I will start that. I'll give that intimation to you when I'm going to start these classes there. But different timing I will take, and on different timings I will start which one? Hibernate classes also. Definitely. Right, sir. Definitely. Class will be started from very basic level, very scratch level. I said to you already, I'm going to start our class right from installations of the software onwards. Not directly from preparing applications, right from installations of the software onwards. We are able to discuss about our content now. So it means that we can understand clearly like which one now, right from very basic onwards, I'm able to discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. Is that advanced Java is used in Android? No, sir. Core Java is sufficient to go for Android. Advanced Java is not much required to go for Android, but server side environment is required. If you want to go for this, which one? Android. Right, sir. Yes, definitely, sir. After completion of this batch, you can put the 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. I'm sure about it. Sriram, sir. Next advanced Java batch will be on Monday. Yes, exactly. On Monday, next demo I will not a demo. Directly I will start the subject. And next Monday onwards, coming Monday onwards, I'm going to start directly the subject. Not like which one, other thing, no. Then directly Monday onwards, I'm going to start which one? Our content. Prerequisite part, I will start there. Once the prerequisite is completed, then I will go for like which one? Another content. The Spring and Hibernate. Why Spring and Hibernate use used to speed up the application development? To speed up the application development and to go for rapid application development, there we are going to use like which one? Spring and Hibernate, sir. Yeah, same URL is for like Monday class also. After this Monday class, maybe may change that link, no. But maximum Monday and Tuesday, same link is going up. Right, sir. Good. No problem, sir. Even if you are not having much awareness on core Java, no problem. Here I'm because of that reason only I'm taking this prerequisite part. Inside this prerequisite part, I'm going to be cover what are required from core Java to start advanced Java classes. To start JDBC classes, what are required, that I will start in the prerequisite part. So we can attend for these classes. Right, sir. Good. Right, sir. Now. Right, sir. Now. Can we get job with only core and advanced Java? But my requirement, my thinking is like which one? Nowadays, if you want to get a job in outside, but what company people are seeing now, right? Core Java, next after completion of this advanced Java, next one is like which one? And a Spring framework minimum, Spring framework minimum. Spring framework along with that Hibernate. These are the concepts that we have to learn. If time is possible, web services. These are the main concepts in Java. If you learn these now, you can keep that 3 to 4 years of experience also in our resume. But maybe today or tomorrow, whatever it may be. Right? All these things here we are going to understand it clearly. We have to understand it clearly. Microservices and all these things part of this Spring framework, sir. In the Spring framework also, be Spring basic level and Spring advanced level is available. There we are able to get all these things. Right, sir. Anything, sir. We can attend these courses through a laptop or maybe through like which one they know. Like what I'm telling to you, mobile also you can attend these courses there. That's okay, no issues. Right, sir. Yes, sir. That's fine. Fine, sir. The Spring and Spring Boot are the part of the Spring framework only, as specified to you. They will definitely, they are required at present as per the market in outside. Spring and Spring Boot both we require definitely. What is the meaning of framework? Nothing, sir. Framework is an application. It will speed up our application development. That's it. Not required to think much about it. Framework it able to speed up our application development. Yeah, Prakram, Ballar. Just we can start that morning classes. Very soon I'm going to start that morning classes for core Java. Then by the time we can, I'll give intimation there anyway. That's it. Right, guys. Yeah, just and one more thing, people are asking about what you are teaching now, guys, and my teaching level is different. What I am teaching now, so I'm teaching Java, and I'm teaching Python, and I'm teaching UI. All in Java part, what I am teaching now, core Java, advanced Java. Right, if you want to go for more frameworks now, struts I know, struts but I'm not teaching, but I know struts. Previously I thought about it. JSF framework I'm able to teach, and Hibernate I'm able to teach, and Spring I'm able to teach, and Spring 1 and Spring 2. Spring 1 and 2 in the sense Spring basic part and Spring advanced part, Spring boot and microservices and all. Next one is like which one? Web services. All right, sir. Then design patterns and all. Then these many content here I'm able to teach now. In the case of this Python, what I am teaching now, just we can observe this clearly. Core Python I can teach, and next one is like which one? Core Python, advanced Python. Is also been no separate classification, but people are giving this classification. Django. Then after that, REST API. Right, sir, and so on. If anything is remaining, that I'm able to teach there. In the UI also, number of courses might be HTML, and what next one gets CSS, and what next one? Then after that, bootstrap or bootstrapping, whatever it may be, like this. Now here also we are able to have a number of technologies like which one? DOM and jQuery, and so on. Here also we then up to the top to bottom might be planning for this Angular and different courses also, but not immediately. Then lot of more number of courses I'm going to discuss there. Right, sir. Yeah, definitely. Then Spring Web Services we are going to plan there in the future. Right, sir. Yeah. There's many technologies I'm going to teach there. Not to worry for that. Right, sir. Anything else? Microservices come under like which one? Spring. Along with that Spring, microservices will come along with the Spring. So data science, any option, maybe not immediately. It may take some time. Not now. Maybe it may take months of time. Yeah, just I'm in updation part. Not now. Data science it may take a lot of time. Definitely. Right, sir. That's fine. Then if you have Python awareness, that's okay. Good. You may have more technology in our resume. Then definitely priority will come there. Nowadays, might be definitely is required. Yeah. Narendra Teja, maybe up to. Definitely, core Java topics we required to go for advanced Java, but how much we required that I will discuss in prerequisite part. Prerequisite part I will discuss about core Java concepts what we require. Definitely, I'll discuss all the concepts. Which core Java topics we required for advanced Java? Name of the topics. Object orientation is required. Right, no need to go for too much exception handling and all these things. No, then object orientation majorly, like which one? Static keyword is required, like this, and a few points. Then after that, in IOSIM's dynamic input approaches here we required. So definitely, I will go for this content inside our prerequisite part. I'll list out this in the next class. I'll list out all the concepts what we required there. Anyway, on Monday next class, I'm going to take note at the same time. There I will list out all this total syllabus also. Not to worry for that. And once you are registering for this class, now I will share the total document, that's total syllabus and everything I will share with you. By that you are able to get some clarity also. Web services will come under what is come under web service? Spring, sir. So web service is a different one, distributed technology. Right, sir. When will Spring sessions will start? It may take some time, sir. Not immediately. Then I need to check the schedules. Then moreover, if you want to learn Spring framework, minimum you have to complete that servlets. Up to servlets part you have to complete. then only you are able to learn the Spring classes, not immediately. Right, sir. Good. Design pattern separate courses are going to be available, but not immediately. We'll plan for it very soon. Right, sir. Web services. Then to talk with them, that means if you want to provide some communication between multiple multiple technology standard applications, like which one? I want to talk with the .NET from Java application, or I want to talk with PHP application from Java application. So for that purpose, we are going to use like which one? Web services anyway, but not now. In the future, we are going to understand much clarity on this. Right, sir. Right, sir. What is the meaning of web services? Right, sir. Right, sir. Then core Java onwards, we require awareness, sir. If you want to start, if you want to become as a good programmer, you require right from which one? No, core Java onwards. Core Java onwards here, we require that content. Right, sir. Framework and advanced Java work the same. No. Then frameworks are different, and advanced Java is technology based, but framework is like which one? Application based. Then both are different. Yeah, separate course for design patterns is available, sir. Balaji, sir. Then the separate course is available. Then in the future, we are going to discuss about it. Right, sir. What is the meaning of web services? There is such an not now. Just I'll discuss about it in the future. There, I said already some one point here. If you want to put communication between two different technology applications, Java with like which one .NET, or Java with like which one PHP, like this. If you want to talk with the different technology applications, there we are going to use which one? Web services. Right. Already I explained that point now. Yes, definitely. I will teach definitely Hibernate and Spring maybe after this lockdown also. Definitely. No. Yeah. Core Java is included online classes now. Then separate batch. We used to start separate batch for Core Java. Not now. That's it. Just if you want to ask questions there, just we can type that content. Why? Because I'm unable to unmute all the members. Why? Because if I unmute all the members, nobody is giving clarity on it. Why? Because everybody they are speaking. No, it's not possible. Just we can type the questions on like question chat window. I can read it and I can answer for these questions, max. Right, sir. And people are asking about who are you guys? Then what I have to specify now? Okay, guys, my name is Nagoor Babu. Then I'm the one of the MD of Durga Soft. I'm also one of the owner of Durga Soft. And Durga sir and myself, we are both brothers, and we are running this organization. And my qualification is MTech, and I have work experience with the HCL. HCL is one company, and other company at Hyderabad. HCL at Chennai, Ambattur branch. Okay, fine. Ambattur 4 is a branch. There I worked up to almost 4 to 5 years of time. We worked there. I worked there. Then after that, I came to Hyderabad. At Hyderabad also be with some Trinity. I worked there up to few years of time. Fine. That was my experience, right? And I had already completed MTech with the distinction. Distinction is almost 92% as a university topper myself. At JNTU Hyderabad, Kukutpalli, the campus, I completed my MTech. I was planned for PhD, but unfortunately, I was not planned for it. But up to MTech, I completed. And my experience, my teaching experience is almost like which one? Right from starting point of Durga Soft. I thought about Java. Then initially we took core and core Java classes, but now I'm taking all the classes now. Right? Anything else, guys? And I was Sun certified. Yeah, Java 11 version. I wrote that exam. I was Sun certified. Yes. Anything else? No, I'm not going to teach Android. That's it. The frameworks and advanced Java both are different, not same, sir. Not same. Both are different. Right, sir. Maven we will cover in which one? You know, Maven we will cover in real-time tools. Maven we will cover in real-time tools, not here. Right, sir. Good. Real-time tools. But in the Hibernate classes, we are going to be covered Maven. Hibernate onwards, we are going to be covered Maven. Why? Because you will not see any benefit of this Maven with advanced Java classes. Only we are going to understand the structure. Only we are going to understand the structure now. We are unable to see like which one total Maven support inside this advanced Java. Right, sir. Web services is a separate topic, not inside this topic. Right, sir. Android, I'm not going to teach, sir. Even I'm not aware about the Android. No, I don't know. Yes, might be then. In Android, might be then we have to check yourself, sir. Might be even myself also. I'm not having any awareness on good trainer for this Android. Fine. Yeah, definitely. Then Sumanta Kumar Sahu. Just we can access. We can access it. Then throughout 24 hours, we can access that videos there. Once the class is completed, that videos are going to be uploaded. Then we are automatically you can see it. Yes. Durga sir and myself, we are brothers, sir. Then I think you are not believing that. Wait. Yeah, that's fine, Dilip Kumar. That's fine. Yeah. How many months to take complete core Java and anyway, then talk about this advanced Java. Then as I'm giving now, as part of this, 90 sessions are required to complete this advanced Java. Damn sure. Minimum 90 sessions. Yeah. Definitely. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. So for offline students, already advanced Java batch we provided there. Siri Sopa ma'am. We already provided advanced Java classes there already at morning time for everybody. And those who are in offline, already we provided one batch, separate batch and total batch, open class we provided. Right. For 4 years of experience, what are the technologies you require there? Just what I said, that 5 to 6 technologies you have to learn. You must have awareness on these technologies. Then we can keep like 4 years of experience. Definitely, after completion of these courses, that means advanced Java will give help to you and to become as master in Java and to have foundation on this Java. Definitely, no. But if you want to work with the projects, then definitely frameworks are required. You have to go for some frameworks. Right. Yeah, core Java and advanced Java is sufficient. We can prepare that, but if you use frameworks, no, that feel is totally different. Nirmal, just I'm telling to you clearly, right? Definitely here, that feel is different, totally different. That work will be different if we use that frameworks. That will be good, right, sir? There is Sachin. You're asking your Durga sir brother. Yes, myself is Durga sir brother. Yes, sir. Number of times I said, just we are from same home. Yeah, that's fine. Simranpreet Kaur, what you are asking, just once again, please send that message to me, then I will give information to you. Right, sir. OCP course, OCJP course might be different. That is not like certification course. This is only advanced Java training, JDBC, servlets, JSPs, and all. Android is available in Durga Software. Just one time inquire at our office there, then they will provide more information. Definitely, we can create web application. We can create web application with our which one? Advanced Java. That means server-side programming application we are able to prepare. Yeah. Website is talking with the user, but web application is available at server side. Yeah. Applications you are able to prepare. Data structures class, no sir. As of now, not. In core Java, I'm planning for that. Maybe in my existing batches, I have to start it. Previously, I didn't thought on it. But collection framework we used to discuss there, but separately data structure we did not implement it. Collection framework here we provided. Thank you, JMM. Spring framework replaces J2EE technologies in the sense EJVs, especially I'm telling that EJVs. What EJVs are providing services, that Spring framework is providing, then with the help of some other technologies. Spring with Hibernate, if we go for it, like this, some replacements are available. In EJVs, entity beans are available. So Spring with which one? Hibernate. Next one is like which one? Apart from that, session beans are available inside this EJVs, no. And Spring is having like which one? It's J2EE module and all. So with the help of these modules, the Spring Framework, we can use the Spring Framework in place of total EJBs. I can remove the total EJBs. In place of that, we can use Spring Framework as per my view. Definitely. MVC architecture in this course, definitely. MVC applications care we are able to prepare now. MVC applications care we are able to prepare. MVC based applications we are able to prepare by using servlets and JSPs now. Damn sure. And the JSF I said, I want to talk about the JSF now. 1 minute. Right, sir. JSF I said, that is purely on the basis of MVC only. So to cover that MVC environment, I'm going to take like which one? JSF content. Please recognize this point. Why Durga sir is not taking advanced Java classes? Why you are asking this question to me, sir? In my advanced Java class? Huh? And better to ask to Durga sir, maybe morning time he has taken that Python class. Just put a case on him. Why he is not taking advanced Java classes now? And book a case in police station. That will be good. Even myself also requested a number of times, try to take one advanced Java class there, but he has not taken that advanced Java class. If he's taking advanced Java class, I want to take rest, but unfortunately he has not started advanced Java classes. That's why I'm taking these advanced Java classes. Right, sir. In early morning core Java classes I'll plan, sir, not immediately. Right, sir. Right. What is your batch strength? Why, ma'am? Just you can guess it now. How many members are attending? Course completion already I given intimation there. 90 sessions I require to complete this course. 90 sessions. Right, sir. Some people are asking about why Durga sir is not taking advanced Java classes. That's why I'm saying that. Right, sir. What we have to do after learning advanced Java? And Nilesh Chatterjee, you have to go for like which topics there now after learning advanced Java frameworks, Hibernate, Spring Web Services that you have to plan. Right. Yeah. Offline classes when we are going to start, but we don't know why, because that depends on the government. Right, sir. The networking related topics will cover in Core Java, sir. Ali Karim Sayed, I'm telling to you. But in servlets, there is an application like which one there? Apply to servlet communications available. There I used to cover URL connection and all. Yeah, networking related. Up to that, apply to servlet communication, I will do that. But maximum these topics will be covered in networking content in Core Java. The learning framework is very easy, but when we have advanced Java knowledge, otherwise it's not possible. Right, sir. Yes, I will teach Spring Framework, but not now. I will start new batches there. In upcoming batches, I'm going to start the Spring Framework. Hibernate is going on by at 7:30 batch. No, there I'm going to take that Spring Framework. But within few days of time, I will start it. All courses for developers point of view, you have to put nearly 7 to 8 months of time to complete all the courses of Java. 7 to 8 months of time it will take minimum. Definitely, if you want to learn perfectly, 7 to 8 months of time it will take. Sir Vishwanath sir, already I given clarity on it. Will you take a data structures class? Not as of now, but I'm planning for this data structures class at the end of my core Java classes. That was not in my commitment actually in core Java class also, but I'm planning that. But anyway, I'm not giving assurance for it now immediately. It will take some time anyway. Right, sir. OCJP course syllabus and core Java syllabus, no, both are not same. OCJP syllabus is limited, but core Java syllabus is unlimited. We are going to discuss much more. More than that, OCJP we have to discuss that. Definitely, learning framework is very easy, but if you know advanced Java, if you have advanced Java content. Yeah, definitely, sir. Then I'm going to take when I'm going to take this collection framework, I will give intimations there. Then it might be then. If any of you are interested, then you can attend for it. But I will give that intimation in there. Right, sir. Springboard, definitely. In the future, I will plan for this Springboard along with the Spring framework. Definitely, I will go for it. Collection framework and data structures. Data structures are already implemented. Some part of the data structures are already implemented in the collection framework. But if you want to go for more different types of like one data structures now, which are not available inside the collection framework, then we have to go for data structures. Yeah, like different searching algorithms and different sorting algorithms if you want to go there. But Java has provided limited, but we have to go for like which one, some other explicitly. Right, sir. Then anyway, guys, then I will share my email IDs. Then once we might be registered for these courses, no, then through the email ID we can send your queries also there. I will share the email ID. Maybe in the Monday I will share the email ID. Why? Because no need, not prepared so far. Just I'll prepare one email ID. Through that email ID we can talk with me now. Just we can post some queries there. I can reply through that. Right, sir. Right. Anyway, right, sir. Then collection framework and data sources are given already clarity on their session. Again and again, you are posting the same question. I given clarity to you. Collection framework contains the data structures abstraction, total abstraction, but they are given flexibility for developer to perform some operations of data structures. But sorting and searching algorithms, all these algorithms are not implemented effectively in the case of Java collections. Then if you want to go for some other, right from scratch onwards data structures, if you want to implement there, separate course for data structures is available, there we can attend. Right, sir. But inside this, it is not like this. Understand it? Right, sir. Iqbal, sir, I'm answering all the questions now one by one, one by one. So many number of questions are coming there. Just one by one, clarifying that. Which is most popular course in IT market to get job? Advanced Java. Right, sir. Advanced Java is the most popular course. Right, sir. Right. Yes, yes, Naveen Kumar, thank you. Web application like in a sense, I'm not getting your question, sir. Web application like your Facebook application is web application. That's it. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Right, sir. Narendra, sir. Yes, exactly. Your calculation is right. What comes under web services now? It's totally what I'm telling you now, how it is possible to say the total content of web services now. And better to ask questions about advanced Java, sir. Then web services is a future topic now. Just I'm taking the demo class for advanced Java. Better to come into the advanced Java class now. Right. Learning framework is easy. Suman Chakrabarti learning framework is very easy. No problem. Easily we can listen it. But whenever we are having some awareness. Okay, fine. Thank you, Nilesh Chuddaji. Fine. Voice is very low. No, yaar, my voice is very good. Data structures knowledge is not much required. No, not required, not mandatory. Without that, also we can learn Java. No issues. Oh, there is session. I replied already for your question almost 3 times today. What is the difference between collection framework and data structures? How many times you are sending same message, sir? Yeah, after completion of this advanced Java, we can join with like which one? Hibernate and Spring. No doubt for that. We can join with it. Yes, sir. We can join with that. No problem. No, Nilesh Chadaji, you're right. No problem. No, Nilesh Chadaji. What is web application? What web application like in a sense? I said to you, then all web related applications, internet applications are web applications. You can observe this clearly. Yeah. Good. Thank you, Sahovan. Right, sir. Thank you, Fatma. It's not as definitely if you have data structures awareness from your academies, that will be well and good. Definitely, it will give more weightage. There is such an. I'm replying to you only. If you have data structures awareness, then that will be good. No problem. Yeah, next class is on Monday, sir. Then you can attend on Monday. Yeah, data structures knowledge is if you are having, then that will be good. Right, sir. Java is at peak at in industry. Definitely, Java is having very good awareness. No problem. Right, right. Hibernate class and guys, and today hibernate class I'm not going to take now. Why? Because already the time is 9:10. Hibernate class I'm not going to take today. Why? Because already I'm clarifying these doubts only for people. So no hibernate class I will not take today. Please recognize this. Right. I need syllabus then, and on Monday by Monday we are going to submit that syllabus, sir. Total syllabus in the sense JDBC, servlets, and JSTL, JSPs, and all titles only. But internal content I will discuss there. Maybe our office people will submit the syllabus to you. No need to worry for that. Through the mail, they are able to send to you. Right. You learn advanced Java, develop is watch. Web applications you are able to develop. Fatma. So Nilesh Chatterjee, you are very much fair. No, you are not. We have not done anything. I answered all of your questions there. Yeah, definitely. Thank you, Giribabu. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Next class is on Monday, guys. Now please come for this next class on Monday. That's it. Got it. Yeah, okay, Balaji sir. No problem. Spring and Hibernate are different courses, sir. Not inside this, Mitesh. Hibernate and Spring, one course are two different courses there, not single course. Yeah, definitely, Balaji sir. I will inform them. I will inform to my office people. I think so. They must be active, but at night time maybe one or two employees may be available at our office there. Definitely, they will contact with you. Definitely. Hibernate alone, it will take max 60 sessions are required for Hibernate for completing Hibernate. Yeah, thank you, Hemlata ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Definitely, then Sakshi Joshi. Then you can prepare applications, no problem. Even I'm going to prepare lengthy applications inside the classes. By seeing that easily, we can prepare your applications. No, Nilesh Chatterjee, just we can post. I answered for your questions, almost 2 to 3 questions you asked for there. I already answered for your questions. Yeah. Next Hibernate class is on tomorrow. Tomorrow, next Hibernate class I will take, no problem. At 7:30. Today only, it's because of demo class, I have not taken that. Next Hibernate class I will take tomorrow. To get job advanced Java knowledge is required or over further. Definitely, we required along with advanced Java minimum Spring framework you require to get job nowadays. Yeah, Ramras, I'm giving clarity to you. You require that. Next Hibernate class is on tomorrow, sir. Your explanation is excellent. Thank you, Nikhil Kumar. How many days Hibernate course? 60 days. 60 sessions are required. Hibernate course. There is such an. I already answered for it. 60 sessions we required to complete Hibernate. That's it. Saturday no class for this advanced Java. Then on Monday onwards I will start our advanced Java. This class. Next class is on Monday, not on tomorrow. Thank you, Fatma. Thanks a lot. Hibernate course is in how many days? 60 sessions, sir. There are such an. Already answered for it. Thank you. Cloud computing, it's not related with like which one? No, then advanced Java. Then basic awareness is sufficient, but I think so. It's not mandatory. Yeah. Ajay, then it's okay, fine. Myself is good, right? Yeah. Then what you have asked, I'm not getting it. Thanks, sir. Thank you, Ajay. Ajay, then thank you. Next hybrid class is on tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow I will take it. Oh, hibernate course is how many sessions? 60 sessions are required to complete hibernate course. 60 sessions are required. There is Sachin. Are you listening? Are you listening? There is Sachin. I don't know why you are asking the same. Arey, how many times you are sending same question, sir? Right, sir. Yeah, tomorrow Saturday I will take, sir. Definitely. Hybrid class I will take tomorrow. No problem. Next to course your batch I will announce, sir. I will announce that. So then those who are attending regular, all my regular classes, and tomorrow as these sessions are going on. But Advanced Java is a new batch. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow no class. And again Monday I will take that class there. Tomorrow I will take Core Java class as it is. Advanced Java only on Monday. Yeah. Spring framework I required like exactly, yeah, more than 90 sessions, sir. Yeah, 100, nearly 100 sessions are required to complete the Spring framework. Yeah, definitely 100 sessions are required. Why? Because Spring framework is having a lot. Spring 1 and Spring 2, two parts are available. Advanced part is available. Spring Boot and microservices. There also we have to discuss much more. That's it. Thank you. Arup Sarkar, where is your surprise now? You are not having hybrid class. This is a surprise now. Spring required nearly 100 sessions, sir. Right. Yeah. Thank you, Nilesh. Nilesh Chatterjee, thanks a lot. Yeah, on Monday we have to join with the same link. I will start that Spring framework class, sir. I need to check my schedules also. Yes, we can purchase that. And Shubham Vasant, which course you want? You're asking now. Which course you're asking now? Tell me. Shubham Vasant, which course you're asking now? Tell me. Advanced Java. Yes, they're available. And Durga Soft, if you want to get the previous batch content there, just directly we can go for our own platform. What is that platform there? Durga Soft Online. DurgaSoftOnline.com is available. Just one time open that website now. There we can get clarity on it. Yes, sir. Shubham Vasanta. Yeah, just go to this particular one. There we can see all my Advanced Java videos. Just we can go for it. No problem. Hibernated timing is I will discuss with you. I will give the timings over not at planned. Already one batch is going on at 7:30. But today I have not taken that session because of this doubts clarification only. But maybe I may go for that. Yeah, number of, yes, definitely. Then we can see that number of videos from Google Drive also. Yeah, definitely it's available. Once we share that, there we can see that number of videos and everything. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes. Okay, guys. Now, anything else apart from this related to this technology? Fee structure 3,000 only, sir. Yeah, this time only. Max this 3,000 rupees for this batch only, not for every batch. For this batch only. The next batch, as usual, might be more cost is going on. Just this is an offer batch. There we are going to discuss much more. Definitely. Then try to utilize this opportunity, guys. And bit quick go for registrations now. Why? Because and already number of people already joined with this course now. But maybe I'm not going to assure about like which one your accommodation. Why? Because quick registrations better to go for it. And because of the 3,000, more and more number of people are trying to come for these classes now. Already, then every day might be then they're taking the registrations. That's it. Yeah, then that's fine. That's fine, Narendra. Just will get it anyway. Java is best suitable for performance. Definitely, Java main asset is performance only. But where performance tuning techniques are available, if we apply them, definitely we are able to get like which one more. Right, definitely. XML up to how much I required up to that part I will explain, sir. Not complete course. Yeah. Okay, guys, and thank you, Abhishek Anand. Okay, guys, anything else? Shall we meet on Monday? Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night to all of you guys. Right, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Right, sir. Just I'm going to close this webinar now. That's fine, guys. Thanks a lot to all of you. Then we'll meet on Monday regarding these classes. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Leave it.